Staying safe and secure online is becoming increasingly important in our modern world. The internet has become a critical part of our daily lives, and with it, the risks associated with online activities have also increased. Here are some tips and tricks to help you stay safe and secure online. Using strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts is essential. Use strong and unique passwords. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't reuse the same password for multiple accounts, as this increases the risk of a hacker gaining access to all your accounts if they crack one password. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, provides an extra layer of security to your online accounts. It requires you to provide a second form of authentication, such as a code sent to your mobile phone, in addition to your password. This helps prevent unauthorized access even if your password is compromised. Keep your software and operating system up to date. Regularly updating your software and operating system can help protect you from security vulnerabilities that cybercriminals could exploit. Be cautious of phishing emails. Phishing emails are designed to trick you into revealing personal information such as passwords or credit card details. Be careful of emails from unknown senders, and don't click on links or download attachments unless you're sure they're safe. Use a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, making it more difficult for hackers to intercept your data. It's essential to use a VPN when using public Wi-Fi networks, which are often insecure. Be mindful of your social media activity. Be careful about sharing personal information on social media, as cybercriminals could use this information to target you. Check your privacy settings and limit who can see your posts and confidential information. Regularly back up your data. Regularly backing up your data can help protect you from data loss due to cyber attacks or hardware failures. Consider storing your important data using cloud-based backup services or external hard drives. Following these tips and tricks can help protect yourself from online threats and stay safe and secure.